Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making sure Drive is ready. Install or update the app and sign in with the Google account you want to use. Check that your Android has enough free local space and a stable network. Wi-Fi prevents data charges. Next, grant storage and photos permissions so Drive can access files, then enable backup and sync for automatic uploads. Once done, open the app and tap the plus button to begin adding files. This sets the foundation for organized cloud storage. Now you'll organize and transfer content. Create folders first so uploads land in the right place. Clear names speed retrieval. To upload, tap plus and choose Upload, or from any app use Share Save to Drive to send single files. For many photos, use Drive's camera upload or select multiple items in Gallery. Make sure to toggle Make Available offline for critical documents. This caches files locally. While files upload, watch the progress indicator in My Drive so you know when finish by managing space and confirming sync. Open Drive settings and tap Storage to see what uses your quota. Delete large or unneeded files and empty trash to immediately free space. If you're near the limit, lower photo upload quality or remove duplicate files. For problems, try simple fixes. Toggle Drive permissions, clear the app cache, sign out and back in, or reboot your phone. These steps reset connections. If sync still fails, check Google service status and consider upgrading storage to avoid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.